How to find screen recording on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the Control Center. The Control Center provides quick access to frequently used settings and apps. You will see a group of icons over here such as the network icons, battery, brightness, camera, flashlights and more icons. Here, go to the top left corner and tap on the plus icon. As you can see, a minus sign will appear on each icon. Then, tap on Add a control below as shown. You can now search for or choose a control from here to add it to the Control Center. For example, screen recording. You have now added the screen recording icon to the Control Center. Tap on it to start recording. Now, go back and open up the Photos application. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Media Types. And then, go to Screen Recordings. You can view all your screen recordings over here. Following these steps, you can easily find screen recording on iPhone.